Hello. This video about install and use Chocolaty on Windows. Easily open Google and search for install Chocolaty. Then the first link click on. You find a full guide to how to use Chocolaty and the commands for each options. We gonna install Chocolaty using command prompt. Do not forget to let me know if you want me to make video about installing Chocolaty using PowerShell in a comment. Open command prompt and pass the link from website. Click on it and wait for installation. I am already installed it. This is way this message show up. Now let's try some commands. First type Choco list. A very big list appears. All this is a packages of softwares. You can find all kind of packages. To install package, type Choco install and the name of package. And you can also find a package by searching it with his name. The same way, if you want uninstall package type, Choco uninstall package. This is all. Please subscribe, click like button, and keep tuning for next videos. Thanks for watching.